and voltage gain with feedback, AVF equal to AV by 1 plus beta AV. AV we got 13,155 divided by 1 plus beta, you get 78.53. See how from 13,000 it is coming to just 78 after applying feedback. That may be seen as a drawback, reduction in voltage gain by a huge number, but you are enjoying the other benefits of feedback. So that is not going to bother you at all. So that is what we have got it in this problem. So the problem is about voltage series feedback pair. As this example of voltage series feedback amplifier does not have analysis, we have directly taken up a numerical problem and we have found out all the parameters using the standard formulas available. So the formula for AV1 and AV2 are same. Only thing, R01 will come and R02 will come here. R01 output of first stage, everything is parallel. R02 output of second stage, R3 and R4 are series, which is parallel to your load. So that configuration alone, you have to see the diagram and substitute the value for R02. And definitely you will have a very huge voltage gain provided by your amplifier. We find the feedback factor beta, RI, RIF. Other things are going to be as usual. See, you have to be prepared for attending problems also from this unit, because don't expect only theory questions may come. Equivalently 16 marks. If both 16 marks you get problems, then it's going to be tough, right? So equal importance should be given to both theory and problem. Okay. Ensure that you understand the problems and do it properly. That is possible only when you are very strong in your theory. Okay.